Dips are a fantastic body weight exercise that primarily targets the triceps, chest, and shoulders. When performed consistently, such as doing 10 dips every day, they can have a significant impact on your body. After seeing this video, your knowledge are boost up and lead a healthy lifestyle. Let's go. Number 1. Muscle development. Doing 10 dips daily can lead to noticeable muscle development in several key areas. Triceps. Dips are a tricep-focused exercise, and performing them regularly can lead to increased tricep size and definition. Chest. Dips also engage the pectoral muscles, contributing to a fuller and more defined chest. Shoulders. Your deltoid muscles are activated during dips, helping to create broader and stronger shoulders. Number 2. Strength improvement. Consistent dip training can lead to significant strength gains. Upper body strength. Dips challenge your upper body, making it stronger over time. You'll find it easier to perform daily tasks that require upper body strength. Core stability. Dips require core engagement for stability. As a result, your core muscles will become stronger and more resilient. Number 3. Increased endurance. Performing 10 dips daily can enhance your endurance. Muscular endurance. Regular dips improve your ability to perform more repetitions without fatigue, which can be beneficial in various physical activities. Cardiovascular endurance. Dips can raise your heart rate, contributing to improved cardiovascular endurance over time. Number 4. Improved posture. As your triceps, shoulders, and chest strengthen through daily dips, your posture may also benefit. Upper body posture. Strengthening these muscle groups can help you maintain an upright and confident posture. Reduced risk of shoulders. By developing the muscles responsible for shoulder retraction, dips can help prevent rounded shoulders. Number 5. Potential risks and precautions. While the benefits of doing 10 dips daily are clear, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. Overuse injuries. Overtraining without proper rest can lead to overuse injuries. It's crucial to incorporate rest days into your routine. Proper form. Ensure you use correct form during dips to avoid strain on your shoulders and elbows. Consider seeking guidance from a fitness professional. In conclusions, incorporating 10 dips into your daily routine can lead to improved muscle development, increased strength and endurance, enhanced posture, and numerous other health benefits. However, it's crucial to listen to your body, maintain proper form, and avoid overtraining to reap these rewards safely. By the way friends, please like and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell.